we can do here. Alright. It seems the batteries on my headlamp must be low. They're acting up. Okay, so crack that open. I'm going to take this dough out. These are croissants, I guess. Triangular dough. See that right there? Going to wrap that on a stick. It's an old Boy Scout trick. Hope it works. See if it works. So, see if that works. In the meantime, look at the old trusty bacon, you know. So, knife blade. Bacon. See if this works. Be about halfway down. And not quite close enough. Let me try it again. About 6 pieces in there. I don't know if y'all can see that with the light. It's flickering a lot. There we go. The light is flickering, I think, because the battery's low on my headlamp. Unusual. Nothing like a little bit of bacon in the middle of the night. This right here, those are croissants that came out of a can. You're just supposed to wrap them around a stick, put them near the fire, and they'll cook up. It's an old Boy Scout trick. See if it works. You see the bacon, you see the biscuits, or those are croissants on the stick. Just wrap them around the stick, clean stick. It should be good. I don't know if you can see those biscuits or not, but nice and golden brown on one side. Get them on the other side. See if we can cook them appropriately. On the dark, you lose your sense of time. So I haven't been timing this, but I've had to have been at least 10 minutes. There's nothing going on in the woods tonight. Dead quiet. Nothing out there. See that? It's a SC-L5 fire laser strike. I don't use this knife too much. I think it's a little bit too much knife. You can see it's got the drop point on it. Some people use this to baton wood. I personally have never needed to baton wood. I grinded it down on the top to smooth it out down to the metal, so that I could use it on a fire striker on the top rather than the blade. But I'll talk about that later in a different video. What are y'all doing tonight? Watching Netflix? What's good? It's about time for me to find a new series to binge watch when I'm not in the field. Oh my God, that's hot. Whew. Can't really see that good on this light. Cast iron skillet. aluminum plate. That's just to put stuff on if I don't have room in here. But if it was breakfast, I probably would just fry the eggs on the side of this grease. Wouldn't bother even using a plate. Now this is purely for camping only, not for backpacking, because obviously it's so heavy you wouldn't want to carry that in your backpack. Sucker weighs like 2 or 3 pounds at least. Easy. Easy. God, that is hot. Yesterday, I was in Louisville, Kentucky, and I had a craft beer. It was a chocolate. What do they call the dark beers? IPA? No, Indian Pale Ale. Some other kind of beer, but it was dark, and it was like a Guinness, but it tasted like chocolate, and it was strong. It was so delicious. I don't remember the name of it, but it was amazing. They also had a coffee one. I didn't try it. I only had one. But it was delicious. Absolutely delicious. I gotta find that place again. I think it was called Atrium Brewery in Louisville. Atrium Brewery, and it's in a place called Germantown. And it was fantastic. Atrium Brewery. Atrium Brewery in Germantown, Louisville. I don't know if you can see it in the video or not, but the top of these very unaesthetic biscuits are nice and golden brown. They look great. Just want to make sure that the dough is cooked all the way through. What's your favorite thing to cook when you camp out? I like bacon. It's kind of hard to beat bacon. You can put it on anything. Oh. What's the cultural significance of bacon? Pork. How important pork is to the world. I know certain cultures don't eat pork. They're considered an unclean animal with due cause. But there's something about some smoked bacon that just can't be beat. Probably rotate these biscuits. Okay. Catching a lot of smoke here, guys and girls. Smoky, smoky, smoky. Still kind of gooey on that biscuit. Trying to take some of this bacon out. It is hot, guys. Oh my god. Well, maybe I should cook that one a lot more. Good Lord, you put glow on. gloves around here somewhere. Here they are. Whew. It's so hot I need to wear these gloves with the knife to get close enough. Those are some hot coals. Uh-oh, I think I burned my biscuits. Damn it. Sure did. See what happens. A little brown on the edges. The bacon's about done. Get it off the fire. Move it away. Probably just need to swing that shit out. Yep. Swung it away. I just got these damn biscuits, which are too hot. Set that over there. Try the hard way. So, here's the bounty. Got some bacon and some croissants that are slightly overcooked. Looks good so far though, it tastes good. Pull them off of here. Tastes right. Looks crooked, but it tastes good. Tastes like bacon. Roger that. I'm gonna stop for a dinner break. Take it easy. See that? These are croissants. Toasted them on a stick. Got a little burn on them, but I just scratched off the burnt stuff. And it tastes really fresh. It's bread in the field. Mix that with a little bit of bacon. Can't beat that in the field. Hot bacon and bread. In the middle of nowhere. Outstanding. Can I get a hoo-wah? Look at this. Biscuit. Steaming hot. Steaming hot.